Oh, sorry, because we're gonna record this. So, okay, so yes, hello everyone, and thank you so much to join us today. And we have some people join. Okay. So yeah, I'm Daphne from KKITC, and it's a pleasure to welcome all of you from all over the world today. And we're very excited to showcase our future innovator sets. So this session is designed to give you a deeper understanding of how to use the Matrix Future Innovator sets, as well as introduce you to the Matrix ecosystem. So this platform is supposed to support the education, innovation, and robotic competition. And before we get started, I would like to introduce our team members joining us today. So we have Fangjie here. So our content manager, she's the one behind all the lesson plans and education materials that help bring our product to life. And also we have William here, our global sales account manager. So many of you probably already know him. He's the go-to person for all things sales and support. And then we have Tara, our marketing manager. So she's the one who helped put everything together and make today's event happen. Yeah, so we are very excited to share with you and hear your feedback and learn together. So without further ado, Fangjie will start. So let's hand it over to you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Fangjie, and I'm going to tell you about Matrix Robotics and how it will help your team succeed into the WL Future Innovators. And today we're going to take a look at some of the common challenge teams face and how Matrix can help. Let's get started. Okay. Before we dive into solutions, let's look at the common problems team face. In the WL Future Innovator competition, we have four challenge. And first one is from idea to reality. Many teams have creative ideas but struggle to turn them into working projects. They don't know where to start or what tools to use. And the second, testing and debugging. Fixing errors in hardware and software can be frustrating. Teams spend too much time on troubleshooting instead of improving their design. Next one is improvement and iteration. Iteration. Once a project is built, making changes can be difficult. Many teams lack a modular system to modify and refine their ideas effectively. And the last one is the time pressure. Teams have limited time to design, test, and finalize their project. Many struggle to complete their work before the competition deadline. So how can we help teams to overcome these challenges? That's where the Matrix Future Innovator set comes in. Okay, so in building phase, Matrix provides a complete solution for teams to every stage of their project. In building phase, Matrix offer a modular and easy to use platform, so your team can start building right away. You don't need any advanced skills to use it. It's perfect for beginners and experienced times alike. And in the testing phase, you will delight by how easy it is to assemble. You can make quick modifications without starting over. The Matrix Alpha controller and the Matrix Block software are so user-friendly. So you'll be able to test and debug on it in no time. And in the improving phase, the integrated controller and the sensors make coding and connecting hardware way easier. The modular design makes it easy to rebuild and define projects. The great thing about this design is that it's so flexible. You can rebuild and refine projects as many times as you like. And last, in the final phase, We've created a system that is both structured and efficient to help keep your teams on track. It makes the building process so much easier so teams can focus on being creative and making a great presentation. With metrics, teams can develop their project faster with fewer obstacles and achieve better results. Okay, let's start by watching a short video showcasing a prototype built with the Metrics Future Innovator set aligned with this year's WL Future Innovator theme.
Yay! My name is Gwen.
My name is Ray.
My name is Hank. And this is 4Z and no connection to OE. A variety of sensors. This includes the humidity sensor, which will detect whether or not the environment is safe for patients. The next one is a hand gesture sensor, which allows you to make certain gestures to call the robot to you. Now, the next one will be the two infrared sensors. The upper infrared sensor will detect whether or not there's an obstacle nearby. And the lower one will detect if a patient has tripped or not. If someone has, it will alert the medical workers. Now this camera will watch over patients and offer information. If 4Z sees a hack, it will show that the patient is in good condition, and vice versa. This project combines low-cost AI and IoT technologies in healthcare settings, and it could be improved with optimized algorithms and hardware configurations. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, I'm back. So Metrics is more than just a robotics kit. It's an ecosystem designed to support learning and innovation. Our systems includes IoT and Arduino capability for easy cloud integration and metrics block coding to transition from visual to text-based programming. Integrate and user-friendly design with built-in motor control and sensors. We have flexible structure components that work with both metrics and Lego systems. We also maintain a Facebook community where we post the latest news and facilitate user-to-user exchange of tips and tricks. This ecosystem enables users to prototype, test, and improve their ideas efficiently. No, metrics is not just for competitions. It is also the bridge between learning and real-world applications. Our system provides hands-on experience with the same principles used in industrial automation. Here is a short video of small-scale automate production line using the Metrics Alpha controller and Metrics components.
Okay, so thank you, Fanti. I think she gave us some of the information about metrics, and I think everybody has probably had a better understanding of what's metrics and what it's all about. And I would like to take a moment to sincere thanks WRO for an operation to this collaborate on developing of this set. So today, we're honored to have Vahi with us. So Vahi is the WRO education specialist. So I think Vahi will introduce us to the WRO Learn platform and how it supports educators and students alike. So let's give Vahi a very warm welcome. to join us.
Hello, everyone. Hi, I'm here
Hello.
today to explain to you a bit more about WRO Learn. And also, I want to share with you an exciting material related to Matrix Future Innovators set. So is it possible to go to the first slide? The next one. Thank you. Yeah. So first of all, let me explain WRO Learn. So WRO Learn is a free online learning platform developed by World Robot Olympiad. And the key features of WRO Learn are, first, it's free. It's free for all educators and students all around the world. And we are offering courses from beginners to advanced level. And we are trying to translate the courses to different languages. And now we translated to 10 different languages. And later we will try to cover more languages for the kids. And we also support the material for the students and coaches and judges and also the national organizers in each country. So we are trying to develop content for the whole community. And in the next slide, I will explain to you more about the highlight. Thank you. Yeah, as you can see here. So the first thing which is very important for us, it's we are trying to be comprehensive, and it means that when we want to explain one concept, we are trying to start from the beginning and reach to the advanced level. We also have some courses specifically for the coaches. And we're also trying to support the whole community. So we are offering the courses for the students, for coaches, and also for judges, how to judge in the Future Innovators category, and also for the national organizers, how to hold the Future Innovators category in the national level. And the last important thing is, the previous slide, I wanted to complete the collaborative and interactive learning. In WRO Learn, we try to receive lots of feedbacks from the community because you are experts and your feedback is very valuable for us. And also in the courses, we try to be interactive. So it means that we try to be interactive to engage the kids to our courses and also receiving feedback from the community. And here it's the exciting news. On the left, you can see the link to the Future Innovators course for Matrix set. You can scan the QR code, or you can access the course by writing the link of the course. So this is the course, this is the initial version of the Matrix Future Innovators course. So my request today is to check the course, please. And at the right side, you can see another QR code, which is for the feedback form of WRO Learn. So when you check, please let us know your feedback about the course, because still we didn't launch the platform. So in summer, probably in the first week of July, we will launch WRO Learn officially. But now we are just sharing the link of the course to the experts in our community, because your feedback is very important for us. So you can access to the course, you can enjoy it first. And then if you think that there is some points that we can improve in our courses, let us know. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vahid, for taking time to join us today. So yeah, we know you have a really busy schedule. Yeah, but thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Okay, before you go, can we take a group picture first so we can have Vahid with us? So yeah, if you feel comfortable, we can all turn on our camera. Sorry. Okay, cool. yeah, so if you feel comfortable, but we won't force you. So yeah, let's take one.
Don't be
Tara,
shy, guys.
Yeah.
It's a close and friendly community of WL. We'll definitely love to see your face and maybe with a smile. Yeah, let's do it. And to show to the other guys who cannot join us today.
Okay,
Hey, Costas. Hey, good to see you.
Yeah, can we see L'Oreal? Okay, so Tara, could you please do a photo shot for us? Thank you. Okay, so let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. Thank you, Vahi, so much. And I think it's really a pleasure. We have a test run for the WL Learn, so everybody should give it a try. And we will show the QR code in the end. So if you did not get the chance to scan it, in the end we will share the QR code again.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, really appreciate. And now I think it's very important. We would like to show you a video. It's an unboxing video, so we can see what exactly inside in the Future Innovator set. So let's play this video for everybody. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. I'm really excited to show you what I've got my hands on today. This is the Matrix kit, and I cannot wait to explore what all we got inside this. By the way, when I ordered this kit, I played a smart move. I downloaded the brochure, and for your ease, you can also download the scanning this QR code. This will really help me get to know all the parts, identify with them, and find my way around this kit. So I'm going to follow the order in the brochure, and I'm going to start with the microcontroller, which I believe is this one. Let's start by opening it up. So this is the microcontroller. This is the brain of the robot. This is where actually everything is going to connect and really come together. So there are all these different ports. It's a very bright color. And this is the brain of the robot, like I said. This will actually process all the data from motors and sensors, and this can be programmed using block-based platforms, which are beginner-friendly. But if you're feeling a little bold, you can also use C++. Okay, so now we're moving on. The next thing in the brochure is the M-Vision Cam. Let's go ahead. That is right here on the top. So we're going to start by opening this up. I can see that they've given us a Type-C cable with it. There is a connecting cable as well, which is, I think, going to be used to connect it to the microcontroller, probably. And then this is the actual camera. You can see there's very tiny details on there. There's a tiny, tiny camera, and it's got protective film on it as well. And this is actually going to help you integrate AI into your robotic solutions, in detecting objects and reading objects. That's all going to be done with this camera. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to the motors. And in this kit, actually, there are 3 different types of motors. And we're going to be diving into the first one, which is the DC motor. So let's go ahead and open that up. The DC motors, there are actually 2 of them in this kit, each with their own wire, and these wires are connected to the microcontroller. The DC motor actually has rotational movement, and these are used to connect wheels and gears. So this next motor is actually the DC motor with the encoder. Now the only difference in this is that the encoder gives you feedback on your speed and your position. So this is what they look like. They've given 2 of these, so you can connect 2 wheels, 2 gears, however you want to do this. And these are the different wires that will connect these motors to the microcontroller. The last type of motor there is the servo motor, and I can actually see that there are 2 of these. So I'm going to start by opening them, and in this packet you can actually see the servo motor, and along with that there are some gears and other connecting pieces in there which will really help with the precision of this motor. The servo motor is known for its precise control and how the robotic solution can maintain its position. Now I'm sensing some sensors. We have a water level sensor, soil moisture sensor, miniature switch, PIR motion sensor, laser sensor, gesture sensor, grayscale sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, color sensor, rotary angle sensor, 1-wire temperature sensor. Oh, and before we forget, we also have the battery box. This is what's actually going to power your robotic solution and bring all of your creative ideas to life. Now we're going to dive right into the mechanical parts. We have the gusset plates, the beams, the C-beams, L-beams. We have the flanged plates, all these different joiners. We have all these different connectors, screws. We have the gears and these really cool looking wheels. And we have lots and lots of cables. Alright, that's a wrap. I really enjoyed unboxing the Matrix Future Innovators Kit. The possibilities are endless with this one. My imagination is running wild. You guys really need to get your hands on this kit right now. This is Lisa Wasim signing off. Happy building and see you in the next one.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video. So basically, this gives us like a basic idea what we have in this set. So now I think Fangjie will take us to know how to use the matrix building part. So Fangjie will take from here.
Okay, after watching the unboxing video, that's introduced an essential part of matrix building system, the quick connectors. Their convenience is a key feature of our system. So Matrix use quick connectors to make assembly and reconfiguration easy. Let's explore the 3 types of quick connectors. If you have Matrix part with you, just feel free to follow along. Okay. So first, we will introduce the black shirt connector, and therefore assembly 2 layers of metal parts. Okay, you can see this one. This is 3 type of the connectors. Okay, and this one is the black one, the black shirt one. And how to use it? We can just put 2 layers of metal parts together, and that the connectors just go through the 2 metal parts and press. Okay, the clouds will open when the connectors are inserted like this, and the metal parts will be assembling like this. And if you want to, remove it, you just need to push this side of the connectors, and you can remove it easily. And the next one is the white medium connectors. It can connect 3 layers of metal parts or for thicker plastic parts. So just show you this. We can connect 3 layers. It is a little longer than the black one in the size. And you can connect 3 layers of metal parts like this. It's very easy to assemble. Or we can connect the metal parts with our controller, because the controller is used in thicker plastic like this. Okay. And the last one is the blue long connector. It can connect assembling with Lego Technic parts. So if you have Lego Technic parts and Matrix parts, we can see the scale is the same. And we can just put it inside of this like this, but it will be very loosened. And if you want to do better, you can plus 1 more layer of metal parts. This side. One Technic, Lego Technic parts and 2 Matrix parts. And it will be more tight. Okay, so understanding these connector types will help you build project more efficiently. And now let's put what we learned into practice. We're going to assemble a simple phone stand, follow the step-by-step building instruction, and build along with me. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. So at the first step, we need to take out the 2 metal parts and 2 black connectors.
So if you have matrix, it doesn't have to be Future Innovator set. Just if you have matrix sets and you want to follow the step to try to build your phone stand, you can try with Fangjian altogether. Yeah, so hope you guys already have matrix box and you can start to try the hands-on section. Thanks.
Yeah, actually, we planned this webinar, but because we think that the future innovator kit might be delivered, right? But we understand that in some situations it was delayed for various reasons. So maybe you don't have the kits on hand yet. But of course, I believe you're gonna receive the products very soon. And if you want to try and build this structure afterwards, you're welcome to take a photo and share it with our project hub. Yeah, which we will mention later. Yeah, but now I guess let's get back to Fangjian to continue with the demonstration. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, just wait a minute. I just use some setting. Just wait a minute.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, because I also noticed that we have several guys that join in the midway. Yeah, no worries, because we are taking a video. We're taking a recording, right? So yeah, we can share it with you afterwards, so you will not miss a bit.
Yeah, so maybe before a little hands-on section, I don't know if anyone has
Yeah.
questions or any feedback would like to share. Maybe we can use this time to talk, to chat a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I see some familiar names like Costas, like Hamida, and Zatal. Yeah. So, do you guys have any questions or?
Hello to all, Kostas here. In the category of WRO, your set, it will be the only set that will participate, or they can use also other sets to participate in the category?
Well, thank you, Kostas. Yeah, I know you. So, actually, I think there will be two kind of official collaborations for the Future Innovator category and the WRO. So yeah, the one set is of course from Matrix, and it's based on the Arduino Uno Alpha Wi-Fi board. And there is another product that's I think coming from Electric, right? So it's based on the microbit. So yes, they are facing different, I think, maybe age groups. And clearly, our product is, yeah, yes, it's based on the Arduino technology. It's a bit more advanced, but we are making it more user friendly. As you already see that it comes along with the with the graphic drag and drop coding platform and with the building system. It's really easy to use and collaborating with compatible with Lego Technic-Parts. Yeah. So yeah, get back to your question. So there are two official kits, I think, from WL. But I'm not sure if it's the exclusive option you can get. Yeah, maybe we should get, maybe we should have Vahid back to answer the question. Yeah, but yeah, but as far as I know, there are only two official collaboration projects with WL.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Costa.
Okay, I'm back, and I just take step by step to you that we can build this phone stand together. And the first step, we have to take two metal parts. One is flango plant, and one is the joiner, and two fast quick connector, and we just put this two together. And the second step, we need the other side. Also use two connectors. Like this. And the next step, we have used the triangle. And connect with this. Use the connector, connect to the joiner, the blue joiner. Both sides need one triangle. And the other to the joiner. It's almost there. And the 5th step is L-shaped beam. Okay, the last step, we need to use the white median connector because there is three layers of metal parts need to assembling. And it's finished. You can put your phone here. This. And our building instruction is made by Studio 2.0, and we will introduce in the next two section of our webinar how to use it, how to import our building materials inside Studio 2.0. Okay. Yeah, Definitely.
Okay, so thank you, Fang Jie. I hope some of you got the chance to give it a try, but it's okay if you still don't have your sets with you. I hope later after probably you can have a try, and we will also share the presentation on PowerPoint after the meeting. So thank you all for participating on this activity. And before we wrap up, I would like to ask Tara to share the next sessions.
Okay, yes, thank you, Fang Jie, and we hope that you all gained some valuable skills with the building section. So we have exciting sessions coming up, and our second session will be on the 10th of April, the same time, and it will focus on electronics and AI camera. I saw someone posted in the comment section that they had quite difficulties, so maybe that session would be great for you, as we have a guest speaker, and he will speak about the AI camera and how to use it and the benefits thereof. And then our third session will be on the 18th of April, focusing on building, programming, and we will have a mini challenge that you can also upload and join our Facebook group. It's called Matrix Robo Community, and you can scan the QR code, and we have some prizes up for grabs with the mini challenge. So stay tuned for the rest of the sessions, and we hope to see you on the 10th of April.
Okay, thank you, Tara. I think somebody want to speak up. So, yeah, just. Oh, sorry. Maybe you could just give us a clap. So, yeah, thank you, everybody. I don't know if. So now it's the QA section, actually. If anyone has any question or feedback, please feel free to speak. And we will try to answer, or we will tell you, probably we'll get the answer from the next session. So we have Barthar.
Right? Yeah, let's head over to Zatara, who raised a hand.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you very much for this webinar. While I still don't have the set and eagerly waiting to have it in my hands, I really like how you introduced the set, and thank you for this presentation. While talking to a school here in Pakistan, I was asked a question, and while I handled the question on my own, I did want to put it out there because it may be in the minds of others as well, that this is a customized set, okay, based on Arduino. However, does it in any way limit the capability? For example, if any institution wants to introduce robotics in general, I know that this is not competition specific, but we're calling it a future innovators set. So the institution was concerned that if we are introducing robotics, I suggested this set to them for the high school kids to start working on robotics. Is that a good enough set and has the versatility that a robotics set should provide to be able to learn robotics beyond future innovators? I hope my question is clear.
Yeah, it's loud and clear. And I don't know if William will be able to answer the question or not. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, anyway, thank you for the question. So yeah, I think it's very important for us. So for the school selling. So right now, not just only the sets, we also create the learning materials, and not just for the competition, also for the STEM education or school type education. So I think besides the sets, once the learning material are done, we will also share with everybody, and we will get your feedback to see if this suits your school type or anything you need to add on, and we can work on it. I don't know if this answers your questions.
Yeah, I understand that you will be sharing some learning materials which will help the schools being able to build or start building using the matrix set. We have been using Arduino in Pakistan, and so a lot of stuff is available. But when you come to a set like this, obviously there are specific parts, and if there are building instructions to start off the way you were showing a while ago, and then there are some projects that people share, I think that will serve as a good inspiration for others to adopt the set. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And since you mentioned this, can we go back to the Project Hub slide?
Yeah.
So I think it's very important we start like a society. So we hope everybody can share the ideas. And if we have any questions or you have the inspiration from the Future Innovator set, we can all share our idea through Project Hub, we call Matrix Robot Community. So right now, I saw somebody already post how to use this set to do a small project, and later, from Matrix side, we will also share some of the video or an application to share with everybody. And we have Maria.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
I love this matrix set. I think it's really, really good for kids, and it's a really good solution for. I have worked with kids building circuits with Arduino, and always it was this problem about connecting with a breadboard, that the cables, and if the servo motor move, then all the circuit goes off, and it was always a problem, right? And this is a really good solution. I also wanted to ask, is this kit compatible with Lego pieces to expand building possibilities? And I don't have the set, so if you can show something about this, because I feel like for kids and from 8 years old even, they can start working with this. And Lego is like one of the main parts in every school that it's already there. So combine these two sets with Lego will be amazing. It would be really good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. It's a really good question. Yeah, I believe we mentioned that yes, the matrix building system is totally compatible with, especially the Lego Technic parts. So yes, maybe Fangji is running some demo to show you how it works.
Actually, thanks for asking, but we just have a really cool new quick connector. It's not released yet, but I just want to show you a bit. Maybe Fangji will showcase. Yes. So, okay, sorry. This is the one will help you to connect the Lego part more easier with matrix part. So maybe we can showcase how to use the quick connector. And also from the software side, I believe we will have more information for next section, but it's the same. The Scratch type to C++, it's also help the kids to really easy to get started from Lego to Maker side or Arduino side. So this connector is exactly, you can see, it's really easy to use. So you can use your Lego part you already have. And then you can connect to our controller or our metal parts. It's super easy. So we will release this product really soon, but already progress. Yes. So thanks for the feedback. That's very important.
So maybe we can offer some discounts for our attendees today. Yeah, with this new connectors.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maria. Anyone else have questions?
Yeah, and actually, I think I just add one comment to Maria, right? Because I would suggest you can scan the QR code to join our community, because you can find quite many inspirations using the Matrix products together with maybe Lego or other platforms. And sorry, Tara.
I would also like to add, if you have any questions while you are busy with the sets, you could also ask your questions on the Matrix community group, and we will respond immediately as well. And you could even, if you have a problem, post a video about it or pictures about your specific problem as well.
Yes, sounds good. Also, thank you, Lance, for sharing your cool robot. Okay, so yeah, anything we from our side would like to add on, like William, anything you need to speak to everybody, or I don't know if anyone still have questions.
Thank you, Daphne. Actually, I think we had a really good control on the agenda, right? We talked about all those things we prepared, what we meant to show you in the first session, and clearly we have a very great audience, attendees today, and thank you for your questions. Yes, we look forward to continue this in the next 2 sessions, right? So, but if you have any questions regarding products or regarding how to get the products, you can approach me, and Daphne. So I can reply to Tara, because she is the organizer of this webinars, right? Yeah.
Okay, thank you, William. Yeah, for the marketing content video, yes, we will provide, I think, in the end or early April. So on the contact person, if you contact William or me, we will send you the information. Also Tara here. So Tara is our marketing person. So if you need anything, you can also contact Tara. So I hope everybody can save the day for the next session. So we will see you all on April 10th. So if no any other question, I think that's for today. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much.